There you go.
That reminds me of Christmas.
Yeah, yeah, that's pretty.
Yeah, it is. So how did you pick these? I mean,
They're like in just one box of something.
Yeah. Your wife's money, I think.
so it's all
It's my money.
it's all a selection.
Joint account.
Yeah, it's like they have a one big box that just kind of
Well,
Wait, hun.
I think
What are you?
I think he likes the way you spend his money.
Yeah,
He's out there.
exactly.
He's having a good
That's good.
time.
Yeah, you're only doing
Oh,
one
there's Cal.
one at a time, hun.
Oh, he's trying.
Hun. Oh, he wants to finish it up so that. Wait.
So,
He wants
I
to.
think
He wants
it's
a
good
bigger.
that you have all of your money in.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, look what they have.
We hold
Those are the illegal. Ah!
Hey, why
Yeah, that'd be funny.
But it's a mixture of silver and gold.
That's pretty.
That is very pretty.
Honey, that's beautiful.
Oh, this is my neighborhood.
But it's got some green coming.
Oh, yeah.
That's very nice. That's a really good one.
That's a pretty one, hun. Oh, you put it together.
Yeah, it's like you and me.
That's why.
Okay.
Together there's sparks.
Okay, that's Sparky.
That was silver and gold. A little green
This
in there.
looks fun. It's
Huh?
big.
Well, no, don't do the big one. Do the small one.
Yeah, you're supposed to read the directions to know what order.
Exactly.
Oh, there's numbers in the color.
You gotta do this little. Oh, see, they have it over there, the big little one
Yeah, you have the proper order.
at the neighbors. Oh my! Look, see, they have big ones over there.
That'd be fun to swing at.
Look at that.
Oh, rocket fight.
They have a rocket something.
Yes. Lex and Shield.
I think one of those would cost at least $30 just for one.
Yeah. Wow.
Huh?
Those single ones are probably about $2 maybe.
No, they're not. They're expensive. They're one of those
You
are.
go to-
Who went
You
shopping?
have to go to Eagles.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, it's true.
They're cheaper at illegals, I guess.
That's true.
I know. He was telling us.
What's the name of this little one that you have, hun?
Are they named?
I think they're all the same.
Huh? That's a pretty one.
Yes.
This one says TNT.
I don't think I've ever had a private showing before in my life.
TNT.
I don't know. Truth and
Yeah, truth and training. Woo, TNT. Oh my! Look at that.
they're so loud over there.
We're getting a free
Here
show.
come the cops.
Oh goodness.
Wow.
I hope everybody lived.
I'm gonna light this whole box on fire.
Huh?
Here comes the car.
There's a car, hun.
Hey, he should know better than me.
Yeah.
Our neighborhood is dead. We don't do any of this.
Oh, is that the one that bounces around?
Oh yeah, look at it.
They have one that bounces around, right?
Oh. Didn't bounce a lot, but it
Oh,
came
it
out little sparkles.
Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't just leave it in the box.
Huh? Did you just leave it in the box?
Yeah.
Oh.
You don't know how to do this?
Well, I thought it'd be cool to see them all go off at the same time. But
Look over
Oh,
there.
that's the one that bounces around, huh?